Alright guys, the ice cream truck is gonna go by here. So it's gonna pass right there. It's gonna be right there. So it's coming around there. You saw that white moving? Or I think it's stopping like right there. I think it's right there. Oh yeah, it did stop. Did stop. It's probably like around that corner. It's probably like around there, see? See it? That's the ice cream truck. Alright, we're gonna have to go inside for this one. Alright, it's gonna pass. Can I go outside in the front porch?
Yeah, go ahead. Just don't go on the street, okay?
Okay. Alright. Just asking my mom if I could go outside the front porch. I can. So let's go do that. Alright, it's gonna come from over there. It's gonna come from over there. It's gonna come from right there. So that's where it's gonna come from. It's gonna come from like right there. So we're just gonna wait for it to pass, and we're gonna sit like right there. So that's where it's gonna come from. It's gonna come from over there. Takes a while to come around that corner. Alright, it's coming, so it's like right there. So now we're gonna see it in a few seconds. It's gonna come right there. It's gonna come right there. It's gonna come right there, like I said again. This is my ice cream truck Sangaso, so it's gonna pass right here. Alright, there it goes. That's the back of the ice cream truck. There it's going, right there. It's going fast. Not really that fast, but it goes slow. It's about to yeah, it's turning right there. Right there it goes. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe we will make a video of us getting ice cream from the ice cream truck. Hope you like and subscribe. Comment the video. Bye. Bye guys.